is Karen, and John is about ready to come and pick his kayak up, show you how to balance it, and walk it up to the truck. He's going to show you how to do it.
Thank you, Katie. That was an awesome job. Karen must be your stage name, I guess. So today, I'm going to show you how to transport your kayak from the water up to our vehicle. So it's at the end of the trip. A couple things you want to keep in mind here. Number one is you have to be able to lift the weight of the kayak, so you don't want to hurt yourself. So this is a way that's going to help you. As long as you can lift the kayak up on your shoulder, everything should be fine. The other thing is you want to take anything that's hanging off the kayak, a deck bag, paddle floats, off the kayak, take your paddle out, and so that nothing's going to bang around or fall out while you're trying to do it. So what we want to do is stabilize the kayak. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand right here in front of the cockpit. And you'll notice there's a little bump right here. That's for your thighs, and we're actually going to use that to help secure the kayak on our shoulder when we get it up there. So we're going to want to put one leg right next to the cockpit. The other one we're just going to set out so we're straddling, and we're actually going to pull. The first move we're going to do is pull the kayak up onto our thigh right here. Just grab it right at the coaming, both hands, pull it up, and now I've got it resting right here on my thigh. So that's a good spot. Now, what we need to do is flip it up onto our shoulder. So we're going to take our right hand, put it inside the kayak right where that thigh pad was, and we're just going to flip it and just rest it right on our shoulder right here. You'll notice that I also reposition my hand inside. So I'm grabbing the cockpit and I'm pushing my elbow out to the hull of the boat. So now I really got a good secure. And now I can use the other hand to help stabilize it. If the kayak gets a little too heavy or there's wind, it might start doing something like this. And so what you want to do is just reposition on your shoulder, and you can move this hand to help push it up or pull it down. So now that we've got it on our shoulder, we want to head out and just walk right up to our vehicle. Alright, now we're going to take it off our shoulder and put it on the ground. So just the opposite. I'm going to spread our legs apart. I'm going to bring the kayak down slowly, put it right on my thigh. Lift it down right there. I got both hands on it. Now I just run it right down and set it down. Perfect.